Moment we've all been waiting for. 12 rounds of boxing, and he is here, and he will do his best to snatch the belt away from Melvin Jerusalem. Jerusalem from Zip Sandman, Cebu City. Round 1 is on its way.
Of course, it's going to be a filling out round.
Yes.
This is a world championship level fight.
Now we looked at the tail of the tape, John. Medyo reach advantage, Luis Castillo.
Yes.
So how do you think Melvin should approach this bout, learning, knowing that he's facing a taller and a longer opponent?
We mentioned earlier that Melvin Jerusalem's power shot is the right hand, the right straight. So he has to set it up with that jab. And we have to be very careful with that timing kasi we know the Mexican fighters, they love to go to the body and disrupt your rhythm with that.
And of course, it's Mexican style of fighting, JC.
They really like
Key points.
stand and bang.
Yan, key points to victory for Luis Castillo.
Now, he needs to be very much aggressive but very accurate. He needs to make sure that whatever Jerusalem throws at him will not land.
And there goes that right hand.
And speaking of landing, diba?
Speaking of
Right hand for
landing.
Jerusalem. Jerusalem goes to the body.
Jerusalem attacking the body nitong
There you go.
leveling.
Good start for
Keeps
Jerusalem
attacking the
going
body of Castillo.
Another body shot. Straight body shot from Jerusalem.
right in the solar plexus of the Mexican.
The
Low
Mexican
and
looking
wide
for an
stance,
opening, but nope, no entry.
Yan. Low and wide stance here for Jerusalem. Pinapahirapan niya ngayon si Castillo kasi Castillo really needs to either go low or he needs to punch down.
As Castillo receives a left hook from Jerusalem in that corner.
At nakita rin natin ngayon, look at Castillo, nag-wide base na rin siya ngayon. He doesn't want to bend over. He doesn't really need to punch down kasi every time he's gonna try to punch down, papasok sa loob si Melvin. So the way to counter that is to go wide as well.
And so far, yung reach advantage and height advantage medyo nanenegate ni Melvin.
Yes, it's not exactly.
Whoa! And just like that,
That's what I'm talking.
Reach advantage and height advantage medyo nanenegate ni Melvin.
It's not exactly.
whoa! And just like that,
That's what I'm talking.
right hand on the button.
Just
What
like
is
I
going
told,
on?
just like
Will
I
he
told you,
survive that?
we have to watch out for that right hand. That's the killer. That's the killer right
The
there.
right hand. Will Melvin
And Melvin is going for
Jerusalem
finish this fight?
continues the pressure. Oh my God!
The referee is taking a close look at
the right hand? Will Melvin
and Melvin is going for
Jerusalem
finish this fight?
continues the pressure. Oh my God!
The referee is taking a close look at Castillo right now.
He's checking if
Castillo hanging on for dear life.
And what a round for
What?
Melvin Jerusalem.
Very
Grabe.
good round for Melvin Jerusalem. He definitely made a statement. Nope, the belts.
Round number 2, mga kaibigan.
And at this point, the question is, did it affect Castillo's confidence for this second round?
And that same combination was the thing that gave Melvin Jerusalem his first world title.
Yes.
Yun nga lang naka-recover dito si Castillo. So props to him for getting up after that very perfectly timed straight hand.
Nakita nga natin, medyo he's light on his feet, mukhang naka-recover nga, maganda yung, ibig sabihin maganda yung preparation ni Castillo for this fight. Four-punch combination by Melvin. Luis Castillo immediately covered up.
Jerusalem is just unfazed. Tuloy-tuloy siyang pressing forward na considering siya yung champion.
And Jerusalem's timing and hand speed is devastating. It's just blinding hand speed. And definitely this gave Jerusalem a lot of confidence coming to the second round.
I like the way Melvin is handling this round, John. You know, he's not charging forward. He's not being reckless. You know, nandun pa rin yung composure. He's doing his best to set things up. Good jab there to the body. Lead straight by Castillo. Now he's trying to mix up his punches. Kaso kumain ng hook dun si Jerusalem. He cannot be careless here kasi syempre gustong bumawi ni Castillo dito.
Babawi talaga to si
That's right.
Castillo.
And what Melvin needs to do is to be very careful not to overcommit with that right hand because Castillo is the longer fighter and mahuhuli siya if he's not in the right position to do so.
Pag nabasa ni Castillo yung suntok niyon, it's gonna be a problem for Jerusalem.
Now Luis Castillo knows he can get hurt by that right hand. Now it's a matter of having a good strategy and so far ito yung maganda dyan. He's working towards his right side. Diba? He's going back pero if he needs to move laterally, he's going to his right side. Kasi alam niya na okay, I can work behind my jab. He's using his jab as a defensive tool. However, just like what John said, yung blinding speed ni Melvin nandun talaga.
And the crowd is chanting tapusin.
Tapusin.
Finish him, finish him.
Castillo trying to go for the body.
Melvin Jerusalem answers back with a body shot of his own. Follows up with the 1-2.
At this point, Castillo is still trying to see kung meron pang bearing yung kanyang haba against Jerusalem. Which
Final 10 seconds of the round.
Right hand from Jerusalem.
Another one. Jerusalem. Which
Final 10 seconds of the round.
Right hand from Jerusalem.
Another one.
What a round again for Melvin Jerusalem. Doubles down on that first round knockdown.
You can see it on the face of
He was able to cut that angle. Diba?
And look at that replay. That right hand is really devastating. Ito ang sinasabi natin. This trip to Jerusalem, you will really lose your seat.
Oo. Tamang-tama yan. Pasok na pasok. Dalawang kanang kamay.
ulit, pumapasok.
And now Jerusalem
Scheduled for 12.
and the atmosphere in this building is just electric.
Grabe. Everyone's on their feet. All the phones are up. Everyone's screaming.
And looking for that highlight reel.
Oo. Para makapag-upload daw kagad.
Oh, it seems like everyone wants to get that video. You know what I mean?
Doon natin makikita, iba rin talaga yung level pagdating sa World Championship na professional boxing.
Hindi rin talaga basta-basta when it pagdating sa mga ganitong klaseng level ng laban.
And it's nice to see Melvin being defensively responsible even after that back-to-back rounds na he dominated against Luis Castillo.
While I believe he knows he's leading sa scorecards, he's not acting over confident.
This is a 12-round fight. Anything can happen.
Yes.
You don't want to be overconfident and lose your title just because of that.
Yes.
And I like the way Melvin Jerusalem is cutting the angles of Luis Castillo. He has very good command of the center line. When you look at the footwork here ni Melvin, he knows when to put his lead foot in the center and when to pivot out towards his left side. Kasi dun, pag nag-left side yung paa niya, nag-check hook siya dun. Tapos every time na yung lead leg niya, yung kaliwang paa, pag nakita nyo nasa gitna, alam niya na pwede niyang ibato yung kanang kamay niya doon. See, yun bato yung kanang kamay sa katawan.
As Castillo loses balance.
And in fairness to Castillo, he's not giving up without a fight. Huge props to him for that one.
Left hook from Jerusalem lands.
Yan yung medyo in-unleash ni Jerusalem nung second round, yung overhand left.
Watch out for that right.
He's switching it up.
Oh, maganda yung switch up din ni Luis Castillo You know, he's still pressing the action.
He's still very much in this fight.
He's moving forward.
Right hand from Jerusalem lands again.
Na yun.
But props to Castillo for recovering really well.
Yes.
No?
I don't know kung anong gustong implement na strategy ni Castillo dito, pero he's lowering down his base. If you're the tall fighter, you have to fight tall eh.
It's been his mistake since the first round.
Doon siya nadali
Medyo-
nung first round eh. He wanted
Why?
to go down. He wanted to go down. That's why he went wide. Di ba? Parang he's trying to counter, pero wala eh. Doon siya
Nice
nahuli.
right hand from Jerusalem.
And just-
Snaps the head back of Castillo just to end the round.
Okay.
This is round number 4, scheduled for 12. Melvin Jerusalem in the blue trunks, red trunks with white trim, and green trim din pala for the Mexican flag, kumbaga, for Luis Castillo.
And of course, shout out to Fuego for that beautiful
Yes!
boxing trunks of Melvin Jerusalem.
Siyempre. Tsaka yung napakagandang boxing shoes din.
Yes.
Absolutely. Body shot from Jerusalem.
Body shot.
I like the way that Melvin's not headhunting. You know, he only, if the opportunity is there, doon niya ibibitaw yung
Yes.
suntok sa mukha. Pero,
Talagang walang wasted na eh.
the way he changes
Punches.
levels, no wasted movement, very efficient,
Mhm.
goes to the body, goes to the head.
And Melvin is moving his feet after his attacks. Kaya
Yes.
there's no opportunity for Castillo to answer back. Great footwork from Jerusalem. Right hand from Jerusalem lands.
Ito. Talang Jerusalem is continuously trying to attack itong katawan ni Castillo. Pero it doesn't seem to have much effect on Castillo, but
Right
it's
now.
opening him up.
Right.
Oh, wow.
Luis Castillo finding it very difficult to land the shot kasi nga maganda yung stance ni Melvin eh.
Mhm.
Diba? Sa ibang mga fighters, disadvantage yung mas maliit kang kalaban.
Yes.
Pero for Jerusalem, very smart fighter. Low stance, wide base, tapos quick feet.
Good combination from Jerusalem right there. Pero nakascore kanina ng isa si Castillo in that exchange.
Now Castillo is using that right hand. You know, nagli-lead straight na siya ngayon.
It's gonna give him some confidence dahil nakapag-land siya ng malinis-linis sa suntok dun.
Ay, left hand pala. Sorry. Nagli-lead straight na si Castillo ngayon. No? Lead straight uli.
Good body shot. Jerusalem is
combination.
heavy-handed. Grabe.
Oo.
Good setup with those body shots in the early seconds of the fourth round. Actually, ginagawa niya rin yan kanina nung second round eh. Tapos inandun niya, inunleash yung overhand left niya.
It is interesting enough. Wala naman iba nang ginagawa si Jerusalem, but Castillo just could not figure him out.
We are at the 17-second mark of this fourth round. So far, it's all been Melvin Jerusalem with an additional knockdown scored in the first round.
Yeah, no?
I think that's safe to say that's another Melvin Jerusalem
Yes.
round.
So far, this is very much a Jerusalem fight, but we'll see what Castillo still has to offer para dito sa laban na to. I mean, with what Jerusalem has thrown at him so far, I'm surprised nakatayo pa rin doon si Castillo.
That's the Mexican spirit right there.
Yeah, so far, this guy is undefeated.
Yes.
Diba? He's not gonna be a walk in the park here.
And it's the number one contender for a reason.
Oh, yeah.
Malay natin. Fifth round pala siya magsisimulang lumaban. Almost a clash of heads there. Good recognition by our referee.
And Jerusalem is still
Still
going,
attacking,
that
yes.
body, hoping for some dividends later on in the fight. Yung work rate ni good combination for Jerusalem.
And a follow-up to the body after that flurry.
If you're Jerusalem's head coach, Michael Domingo, you have to be happy with your work.
Yes.
Diba? Fighting as planned, not getting reckless, hindi siya nanggigigil, hindi nagmamadali. Good combinations to the body, into the head. Oh, that was a sneak. Hindi nagmamadali. Good combinations to the body, into the head. Oh, that was a sneaky left hook there by Castillo. Another
Beautiful.
right hand lands for Jerusalem.
Oh, wow. Beautiful uppercut.
The exchange rate here favors the Philippine peso over the Mexican peso.
That is an uppercut and a hook there by Jerusalem.
And what we're seeing here is why the Mexico versus Philippines fights are very much entertaining.
Absolutely. Kasi even though Jerusalem is ahead on our unofficial scorecards, we are still very tense.
Yes.
Because we know what the Mexican can
He's
offer
still very much capable to do some damage dito kay Jerusalem.
as he receives a left hook from Jerusalem.
And so far, here in round number 5, mas tumaas yung work rate ni Castillo. He's throwing a lot more punches compared to the earlier rounds.
Good right hand again from Jerusalem. That straight right hand cannot miss.
Yes. How Castillo could not see that, I'm not sure why.
Final 10 seconds of this round.
Overhand right just to end the round for Jerusalem. Another beautiful performance.
And with the other organizations follow suit, we don't know. Hopefully. Maganda yung idea.
It's a good start.
We're halfway there, ladies and gentlemen. This is round number 6. Jerusalem versus Castillo. Jerusalem in the blue trunks. Mexican flag for Castillo. And just like what the ring announcer said, nung 5th round, in-announce nila na after 4 rounds of boxing, scorecards in favor of Jerusalem. Still a low stance for the champion. Unleashes that right hand.
Still that right hand that keeps landing.
Yung medyo glimmer of hope na nakikita natin is yung work rate. Towards the 5th round, yung work rate ni Castillo tumaas na.
Good right hand from Jerusalem. Right on the money.
Pasok na naman po yun, mga
pasok
kaibigan.
na naman po yung kanan na yun. And what's beautiful about what Jerusalem is doing is after throwing those punches, he doesn't stay in front of his opponent.
Good right hand
Another one.
from Jerusalem again. Pwede ko nang i-record yung good right hand.
Good.
Oo,
Replay ko na lang.
replay na lang.
And a display of defense from Jerusalem to negate the flurry coming from the Mexican. Watch out for that right hand.
He's gonna do it again.
I think Jerusalem is trying to lure Castillo in. How much can he take? Itong si
Yun
Castillo.
nga eh.
Very tough opponent. Itong si Luis Castillo.
He's been taking quite the punishment, if anything.
And what about that Jerusalem defense? That head movement. Diba? The way he's trying, he's
Yes.
doing his best to parry the punches of Luis Castillo.
After he throws a combination, he ducks in, invades that like a built-in radar in his head as he throws that beautiful left against Castillo.
And syempre, you can only develop that type of movement diba? By drilling it every day in the gym. Diyan nyo po makikita mga kaibigan, basta you're training properly, you have the right team behind you, diba? Tas ang focus mo is polishing your skill sets, yan ang mangyayari.
This is starting to become a boxing masterclass.
Absolutely. It's a masterclass on whooping ass, baby.
Yes.
Final 10 seconds of this round.
Watch out for that Jerusalem flurry at the end of the round.
Yan, napansin na rin ni Castillo yun. Sabi yan, napansin nyo na, teka, parang ka... Final 10 seconds of this round.
Watch Watch out for that Jerusalem flurry at the end of the round.
Yan, napansin na rin ni Castillo yun. Sabi, napansin nyo na, teka, parang kada 10 seconds nadadali ako dito, dikitan ko nga.
Huge props kay Castillo. Talagang napakakunat pa rin.
And this is round number 7, scheduled for 12. Oh, quite interestingly, si Castillo ang nagsimula ng engagement in the opening bell.
But Castillo doesn't have to have that same snap in his punches as earlier rounds.
Is this Castillo starting to fade?
Diyan natin makikita mga kaibigan ang systematic breakdown sa boxing. Di ba? Hindi nyo po kailangan knockout kagad. Hindi kailangan manggigil at ibuhos lahat sa early rounds. Di ba? If you're watching Melvin Jerusalem, he got that knockdown in the first round. Pero he stayed the course. You know, he was patient. He wasn't being reckless here. Tapos, now, nakikita natin, he's slowly and systematically breaking down Luis Castillo.
To the body at that.
Yes. To the butt, in the head.
That sneaky uppercut by Jerusalem snapping the head of Luis Castillo.
Tapos na si Jerusalem sa kanan, sa kaliwa naman siya.
Good 1-2.
Okay.
1-1-2 from Jerusalem. Just as how they teach you in the boxing gym.
Hindi pa rin talaga nagpapatinag tong si Castillo. Huge props to him. He's still fighting. He's still standing. Even though he's very much battered here.
But at the same time, you gotta give it to Melvin's pace.
Yes.
You know, yung pace, yung conditioning niya. Diba? He's not letting up. We haven't seen him take a break.
Yes.
Kumbaga, every
He's
round
not slowing
active.
down.
He's not slowing down. So that goes to show the quality of training sa Zip Sandman.
Combination from Jerusalem.
More uppercuts by Jerusalem. Diba? Jerusalem is still light on his feet. Oh, that was a slip.
That was a slip.
That was a slip.
That was a slip.
For now.
For now.
Body shot.
Oh, good.
Overhand right from Jerusalem.
Another one. So, hindi nagbabago yung power yung sa mga binabata ni Jerusalem. While itong si Castillo is starting to show some decline.
At mga kaibigan, yung mga nanonood po natin at mga kapatid sa boxing, paano po bumubukas yung ibabaw ni Luis Castillo? Yan, panoorin nyo po si Melvin Jerusalem. He's peppering the body. You know, hooks to the body, uppercuts to the body. When he sees that the elbow is down the hip line, alam niya kagad bukas yung itaas. Final 10 seconds of this round.
Round number 8.
Round number 8.
Scheduled for 12. If you guys are just joining us, this is Manny Pacquiao's blow-by-blow WBC World Championship. Melvin Jerusalem versus Luis Castillo of Mexico.
WBC World Minimum Weight Belt on the line.
And this is the first defense of Melvin Jerusalem. So far, it's looking good.
Yung pace talaga nila pareho, no? I mean, mukhang si Castillo is trying to pick up from where he left off and starting to
Good double straight from Melvin.
move faster again, but Jerusalem is just consistently fast.
Even with that double jab.
Yes.
Right hand
Consistently
lands.
landing those rights and left.
Good left hook from Jerusalem. And this is starting to look like a sparring match.
Yes.
Look at that.
Jerusalem trying to finish
Right
this.
And I think Melvin's trying to use that right hand to the body as a decoy. Later on, up top naman.
Yes.
Let's wait and see if that's the plan.
Castillo answers with a body shot of his own. Another right hand there by Jerusalem.
And Jerusalem answers with a flurry.
Alam mo kung may combo box dito, gusto ko nang makita.
Oo nga eh.
Yung volume punching nitong dalawang to.
Kung sino naman yung nagko-control lang siguro pagod na.
Parang,
Pindot siya ng
May
pindot.
kalyo na sa daliri.
parang sinapian ni Pedro Taduran si
Oo.
Melvin Jerusalem. Eh.
Diba? The work rate is highly commendable.
Mhm.
Diba?
Speaking of Pedro Tadura na nandito din sa
Ayan, si
sa
champion.
venue.
Another world champion in the building. In the name of Pedro Taduran. So ngayon, napapansin natin, every time na short range or within the pocket yung laban, pagbabato ng...
Right hand!
Oh, wow.
Right hand from Jerusalem. That was a very...
Pasok. Pocket yung laban, pagbabato ng...
Right hand from Jerusalem. That was a very
Na pasok.
awkward uppercut
Yes.
and followed up with that right hand once again. Pwedeng, pwedeng,
That definitely got Castillo's attention.
and now Castillo's on his back foot. There's
Under
10
15
seconds
seconds.
left in this round.
10 seconds left in this round.
Final 10 seconds. Jerusalem's hands are down, trying to do his best to win this round emphatically. Ayan. Both go back to their corners. Reset tayo.
Good round.
Round number 8, scheduled for
Bato
12.
agad ng mga suntok niya si Castillo.
And after you watch this fight, panoorin nyo yung defense lang ni Melvin.
Yes.
Very underrated because of how effective he is kasi dun sa right hand niya,
Oo.
yung offense niya.
Sneaky uppercut there by Jerusalem. Castillo now, slightly lunging towards his punches, ha?
We'll see how much itong si Jerusalem rin
Body
has
shot.
grown.
More body shots from Jerusalem. Yan na ngayon, the accumulation of those body shots starting to take its toll on Luis Castillo.
Beautiful trip.
Of those body shots starting to take its toll on Luis Castillo.
Beautiful triple hook followed up by a straight from Jerusalem.
And
Ala
no
Roy-
answer
ala
from
Roy
Grabe.
Jones yun, ah.
Roy
Oo.
Jones move yun eh.
No answer
Coming from a
Castillo,
shorter
no?
guy, ah. Coming
Yes.
from the shorter guy.
Ideally, kay Castillo magagaling ang mga ganong klase suntok.
Body shot from Castillo.
Yung footwork din talaga ni Melvin eh.
Oo.
You know, he's not there every time that Luis is gonna throw a punch. He's not there. It's
Yes.
either he's parrying, the head movement is so nice to see. Then afterwards, babato siya ng ganyan. Tatlo, apat na suntok. Mga kaibigan, yung mga kapatid po natin sa boxing na nanonood via Sandman Boxing's Facebook page, how are you liking Melvin Jerusalem's performance so far? Sa tingin nyo ba, tapos na ba to? Or may pag-asa pa si Luis Castillo? Sabihin nyo sa amin sa comment section. You know, I mean, there's a part of me that's thinking that Melvin's just toying around here.
Yeah.
You know, he's just toying around with
He's just taking his time. He
sweet
knows
time.
he's,
Oh, he's just throwing.
he's ahead in the scorecards.
He's not really being threatened by Luis Castillo.
Kasi wala naman siya natatanggap. So
Yeah.
Mm.
he's being very active without throwing so much power shots.
Pero tandaan po natin mga kaibigan, yung binabato ni Melvin na yun, pumupuntos pa rin yun. Ha?
Absolutely.
He's taking advantage na he's seeing fatigue in Luis Castillo.
Yes.
He sees na he's just covering up. So he's just throwing punches. Pinapakita mo sa judges na you're the active fighter.
Yes.
You know, those are not power shots pero they're landing. Diba? They're scoring points.
But Melvin needs to be careful here.
Oo. Final 10 seconds of this
Medyo
round.
may nakikitang liwanag tong si Castillo.
That's absolutely right.
End of the round. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, you are watching us live. You're looking at your fighter. Is it time to push the panic button?
Well, if I was in his corner, I would not tell him to panic. That would only make things worse.
But he needs to definitely press a
Yes.
button somewhere.
Yes.
Diba? He needs to wake up and then
He
throw
needs
more
to use
punches.
his reach advantage.
Oo
that's
nga
for
eh.
sure.
But I think that's too late for that. It's already in 10th round. And they're way behind on points.
Mhm.
If Luis Castillo
By
wants
the way he's
to
throwing punches,
Oo,
he's definitely not knocking.
Diba? If he wants a
Jerusalem
shot,
out.
diba? If he wants a chance, diba? He needs to turn the tide.
Mhm.
He needs to sneak in a couple of shots, get some rhythm flowing. Then tignan niya.
Depensa ni
Diba?
Jerusalem.
Kaso nga lang
no?
talaga na ang ganda ng depensa ni Melvin Jerusalem eh.
And at this point, Melvin can take a round off
Yes.
and the rest just
Mhm.
box around and not take any risks.
And
But
this
I guess
is why,
he's not doing that.
diba? And this is why we're very, very ang tawag ito, amazed
Mhm.
at the work rate of Melvin
Yes.
Jerusalem. Hindi pa siya tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pace niya eh. Kung anong pace niya ng earlier rounds, it's still the same pace.
And he's moving forward at this point.
Yes.
Diba?
Him being the champ, but being the aggressor.
And this
is
is
interesting.
one of the rare times that the smaller guy is
Oo.
walking down the bigger,
Yes.
the taller guy. Almost a slip there by Melvin.
Mhm.
Backs up Castillo. And what's interesting to see here is that good right hand from Jerusalem.
Ito na naman yung right
Pasok
hand.
lagi yung kanang kamay na yun. How many more right hands can Castillo take? Diba?
Referee, the referee's taking a good look at Castillo right now. It seems that Jerusalem caught that second win.
Mhm. Yes. Biglang bumalik siya kasi si Jerusalem.
Right hand
He's
from
gonna
Jerusalem.
try to finish this.
30 seconds left in the round.
Medyo na-fire up ng konti si Melvin kasi yung initial clinch kanina, mukhang there was a slight exchange of words from our protagonist here.
What work rate from Jerusalem?
Crazy work rate. Very consistent from the first round up to now.
Final 10
Right
seconds.
hand from Jerusalem. Oh my goodness.
What a way to end this round.
And
The right-
Jerusalem,
So with the performance so far by Melvin, goes to show how formidable, how efficient, and how effective is yung boxing program
Yes.
ni Zip Sandman.
And this improvement since he first became champ to now. Ang laki.
Championship rounds, ladies and gentlemen. Round 11, scheduled for 12. For Jerusalem, it's just keeping the pace. For Castillo, it's a now or never moment.
but the thing with Castillo is parang walang sense of urgency.
Oo
nga eh.
It's like you're not behind on points.
Minsan yung mga ganyang demeanor tsaka body language, alam din niya sa sarili niya na, you know,
And Jerusalem is trying to finish it in
Yes.
this round. The referees take a good look.
Wala na.
continuous onslaught here by Melvin Jerusalem. And you can see, you know,
And
yung drain, yung frustration, yung
Yes.
confusion sa mukha ni Luis Castillo.
And there is 2 minutes left in this round. This is a lifetime in boxing.
Doon mo talagang,
And
I
if
mean,
Castillo doesn't show to be looking frustrated, nafo-frustrate na ako para sa kanya.
di ba? Melvin Jerusalem is not letting up, ladies and gentlemen. Dancing his way around the ring, trying to find that perfect opportunity to land
He's
that
just
right
looking
hand.
to make Castillo dance with him.
Sneaky left hook
At
there
this
by
point.
Jerusalem. Another right hand.
It's turning into a sparring session
Oo.
for Jerusalem.
Body shot from Jerusalem.
So far in 11 rounds, we're seeing a masterclass
Good right hand again from Jerusalem.
by Jerusalem. Beautiful boxing as well from the Zip Sandman fighter.
what we're talking about when we said na you don't need the knockout, you just need to make a statement.
And this has been a masterclass all throughout, all 11 rounds in favor and courtesy of Melvin Jerusalem. Uppercut from Castillo.
Castillo is just not giving up. Grabe din ang puso nitong mamang to.
That's the Mexican warrior's heart.
Diba? He's proven himself to be durable.
Yes.
Diba? Matibay, makunat. Final 10 seconds of the round.
As he eats a body shot from Jerusalem.
Pero I mean, ito po mga kaibigan, 12th round. Final round. Between Melvin Jerusalem, the defending champion, and his challenger, Luis Castillo from Mexico City.
There we go. Nagtatrabaho na ulit. ng
Signs
konti
of
si
life
Castillo.
ng konti for Castillo.
But we're on the 12th round, so
The finish line is very visible from this vantage point. 1-2 from Jerusalem.
Another body
Jerusalem
shot
still-
from Jerusalem.
still at it. Hindi pa rin kumbaga, ang dami niya pang baon.
Oo. Grabe yan. Lead straight from Jerusalem. And the way he throws that right hand and then steps towards his right, he's cutting off the angle for counter punches ni Castillo.
And we have 2 minutes left in this fight. Can Jerusalem cruise through this round and retain his WBC minimum weight world title? And the crowd is feeling it.
Diba? Minute and 30 left.
That's a minute and 30 left for Castillo
To
do
make something.
to
Oo.
make something happen. But Jerusalem is the one trying to make
Diba?
something happen for this.
Jerusalem is still putting
last
on the
round.
pressure.
Good right hand from Jerusalem.
He's
Trying his
taunting
best
Castillo now.
he's trying his best to finish this in dramatic fashion. Yan po.
Good right hand.
Beautiful.
After that sidestep.
Grabe yun.
Para cross-over si Jerusalem eh.
Oh!
Don't
At
play
this
with your
point,
food.
kinain niya na yung confidence ito ni Castillo.
Grabe si Melvin.
Melvin is playing with his food right now.
Another beautiful right hand by Jerusalem.
40 seconds left.
40 precious seconds left in the 12th and final round of this championship bout.
Will we see a knockout? Will we see a knockdown?
Diba? The crowd is urging Jerusalem to go for the finish. Tignan natin kung masiset up siya ni Melvin.
Under
More
20
combinations
seconds
by
left.
Melvin.
Will he be able to
Castillo
finish this
decides to
fight?
clinch. Hanging on for dear life. Final 10 seconds. Here we go.
Here we go. Jerusalem with that last 10 seconds. Okay, well,
And that is it, ladies and gentlemen.
that is it.
12 rounds in the books. And we will go to your judges' scorecard.
The winner by unanimous decision and still WBC World Minimum Weight Champion, Melvin Jerusalem.
And there you have it. Melvin Jerusalem retains his WBC minimum weight world title against
Via
Luis
complete
Castillo.
shutout of
By-
Luis Castillo.
Absolutely.